Pablo Emilio
Hello. How is everybody doing? All right. Cool. All right. So I'm back to no. So today we're gonna keep working on the game hub, and we're gonna improve a little bit on the AI for the guest. So last stream we did what I'm calling the wandering spot, which is that when a guest is done check-in, he can randomly choose one of the wandering spots and just wandering actually. So it's looking like this. So we got one guy's coming to for the check-in. We're gonna say hello. Here's your room. How about that? And then he's gonna choose a random spot. Oh boy. Oh boy. What the fuck is happening with my hair? Yeah. I'm so fed up with the physics in Unreal. And then it should be in 5 seconds, it should be switching to, yeah, to another spot. Like he decided to go there, maybe. Right. Cool. And then after another 5 seconds, normally. Let's go, buddy. Here we go. So he's going to the previous spot. All right, so that's not a big adventure, this guy, but hey. But the thing is, we have an issue, is that it seems like we've broken something. It seems like one of the guests stay locked for some reason. And also, it's possible that 2 characters choosing the same spot. That's an issue. Yeah, it is a hair. Hello, Alan Cat. Yeah, that's the fashion style in my in the world I'm creating. So yeah, up. No more tether hair. I really don't know why it's happening. It's really random, this kind of bug. All right, so I want to fix this couple of bugs first. So first of all, I want to know why the second guest doesn't go to the doesn't check for the check-in. Yeah, the fashion trends change over time, but it changed really quickly. It's like just a jump and boom, it's done. No more tether hair. All right, so the way I'm doing this is, I think probably the issue is coming from there, because that's the only part I made some heavy change. I think it's because when we're trying to set the activity and we're checking if the spot has already been reserved or not. The thing is, if wait, no, it's like no, okay, no, it's different. No, it's different. So let me organize a little bit my because it's right now it's a mess. So I don't need you, I don't need you, I need the three of you, and I don't need you and you. Because that's the thing, if we want to reserve the spot, we register the guest into our activity. Okay, maybe I shouldn't register the guest like this. Okay, so maybe it's not the right way to do this kind of thing, so I'm just gonna bypass all of this for now, and I'm just gonna check if it's back to normal. So let's see. Boom, boom, boom. So he's going to one spot. Yeah. Second one. Boom, boom, boom. Into another spot. Okay. So now everybody is kind of walking. The only thing is that again with those hair, I don't get it. But the issue is that sometimes both of the wait, where is the third one? Wait. So I got one guy here. Where is the okay? The third one is there, and the okay. All right, so here the issue is that sometimes, since it's they are choosing randomly the spot where they want to go, sometimes they can choose the same spot that is already occupied, and I don't want that. So maybe I should do. Okay, so how should I do that? Should I do another? Okay, maybe I'm gonna create another function. I think it's gonna be the simplest. Might be a little bit messy, but it's gonna be the simplest to use, I think. So I'm gonna create a reserve spot. We're gonna pass the guest that has been reserving the spot. It's gonna be a pp in guest. No, like this, and we're gonna kind of use the almost the same How should I want to do this? Okay, maybe I'm gonna create all right, so we're gonna create an array that I'm gonna call, it's gonna be called reserve guest. Yes, or plural. Oops. Fuck. And it's gonna be an array. So before reserving, I want to check if the length of the active guest plus the of the reserve guest plus the length of the active guest so if it's greater or equal, wait, here we go. If it's greater or equal to the guest capacity, what should I do? For now, I'm just gonna print something like exceed. I'm even gonna make literal text string. Sorry, and we're gonna append. Actually, I could have just do the append things. I'm gonna get the name. No. Get self. Get name. Get display name. Exceed capacity. So this way I will know that we have been trying to go to a place where it's exceeding the capacity. Okay, so and if the capacity has not been if it's not full, we're gonna add the new guest to our array there. So I need to also remove. What's the problem here? Registered guest. Huh? No, it should be the guest here. What the fuck is happening here? That's a weird one. Okay. But when we are registering the guest, I need also to remove item, and I want to remove the guest. Here we go. So how about we make a little bit of yeah, just for debugging. Hey Neosoft, how you doing, man? Good to see you there. Just for debugging purpose, I'm just gonna write the capacity, the actual capacity and see if this is working correctly. So I'm gonna create a text renderer, and I'm gonna call log capacity. That's actually, I'm gonna just duplicate the text that is here, so that's I can keep the same log. Whoops. All right, so log, come on buddy, log capacity. Cool. And here's the thing, we're just gonna let's go into our event graph, and we're just gonna use our tick to print. So we're gonna print, no, not print, sorry, set text, I think it is, set text, yes. And let me see, so I want to have the length of the active guest plus reserved guest. Actually, I could separate that into two, actually. That wouldn't be a bad idea. So maybe create another text. So this one would be reserved. Reserved. And this one would be active capacity. That would be even lower. Okay, so let's get back to our event graph. So what I want is for the reserve, I want to check the length like this, and I'm gonna make a literal text where I'm gonna append. No, it's not append. It's what is it? Maybe okay. I think it's to text, from string to text. Here we go. So now I can do an append node where I could do reserve, and then this slash and the actual capacity. So that would be one thing, and we could copy everything, put that here, and replace this one. And same thing for this one. I want the active capacity actually. Ah, fuck. Like this. So now when I'm starting to play, we should see, okay, reserved. Ah, fuck. I forgot to change also here, active. Alright, for all our wandering spot, now we can check. It's just for debug purpose, but it's gonna be useful. Ah, it's on the check-in also. That's interesting. But actually, that's not a bad idea actually. So right, so this guy is active in the check-in. Cool. We're giving him a room. So where are you going? You are going to this one. Oh, it's already active. I want it to be reserved actually. Alright, so we see that we have an issue there. It's because it's already getting active instead of just reserved, and it's probably because of no. So it's because we are registering the guest right away. Okay. So right now I'm gonna bypass this one. And I'm gonna, where I'm in the AR controller. Okay. I'm gonna register the guest only when it's reached the location. So guest reach location. So I'm gonna do a what? Do we have the controller? No. Get controller. No, instigator. What? Register guest. We need the. I can just do this, right? Yes. So let's see if it's working. So you. All right. So you're going there. It's not reserved. Hey, stop. Can't you see it's already occupied, man? A little bit of privacy. Come on, buddy. It's COVID time. Where is the 2 meter of... You need to be 2 meters away from him. Alright, so we have an issue there, and it's because we are not reserving the spot for some reason. Les gestes barrières, exactement. Ça respecte pas là, hein? Vraiment dans ça rentre dans l'intimité des gens. Aucun respect pour les autres. Déplorable. Dans quel monde vit-on? Ça, je pose les questions. Bon. Alors, pour éviter que monsieur ne respecte pas les gestes barrières, il va falloir qu'on mette qu'on fasse fonctionner ce système de réservation. So obviously the thing is I'm never registering the I'm actually never registering the reserving the spot actually. That's the big issue. Right, so let's do this maybe. Like instead of registering the guests, I'm actually gonna wait. I'm gonna reserve spot. Wait, there is something called activity reserved. So okay, I can delete that. Right, so now you should be reserving the spot. Let's see. No! Damn. So it still doesn't work. Why? Reserve spot. Guest, reserve guest, and just gonna print something just to see if we're going all the way here. Ah, yeah, I know. It's because I need to check this here, reserve spot. Here we go. Oh. Alright, so now the spot is reserved. So you don't care, huh? You're living your life, it's reserved, I don't care, I'm gonna go anyway. Yeah, and I'm just gonna fix the other client. Yeah, you can say hi, but alright. So I think the issue is coming set the activity. The thing is, we are checking if the get is fully occupied. Yeah, that's the thing. We're only checking if it's fully occupied, but not if it's fully reserved. So I'm gonna create another variable. So this one, okay. So in the update capacity, we got the this, and I'm also gonna do copy that, and I'm gonna grab the reserved get. We're gonna get the length. I'm gonna add both of them, and we're gonna check if it's greater or equal to the guest capacity. I know it has nothing to do with that, but I'm tempted to start the topic on your Discord. Have you ever tried to use metallic material for your cell shading, a bit like Grand Blue Fantasy versus Armor? Yes. Well, yes and no. Yes, I think there are already some material effect on my character, but I won't go with the Grand Blue the Grand Blue art style for the metallic. It's more, I would say that's Grand Blue Fantasy. I love the art style. It's really great. It's fucking fantastic. It's probably one of the best looking cell shading game, I think, right now. But it's a little bit more on the illustration side rather than really the cell shading anime, I think. And alright, let's be honest with that. I don't think I have what it takes to reach this level. So that's why I'm going for the full cell shading. So I need to find another way to render the metal, but more in a cell shading anime rendering style. You'll find it. We'll find it. But yeah, and the other thing is, I think going with the illustration style of Grand Blue Fantasy would be it's a lot of work, you know, and yeah, I don't know if I want to go. I need to work smart in a way because I'm working alone on this. Hey, Glockenberg, how you doing, man? I saw your stuff on Twitter, looking fantastic. Thank you very much. I'm glad that you appreciate it. Oh boy. Oh boy. But yeah, thank you very much, man. It's appreciated. But to going back to the metallic effect, yeah, I'm still trying to find a way to do this properly. Even more globally on the art style for the character, I need to find a way where it's looking good, but at the same time I can produce a lot of character quite easily, quite quickly, you know. So it's a bit of a mix of trying to do something super cool in terms of quality, but also trying to find the best way to be able to for a guy alone like me to be able to produce a maximum of content, because content has value too. It's not just about quality, it's also about content. Like if I can do only 2 character, if I can do like crazy super good looking character, but I can only make 2 character in a year, you know, it's I feel like it would not be worth it. But like if I can make a dozen of character, but a little bit less quality, but you know, you're adding a lot more variety in the game, maybe there is more it's more valuable this way. That's the way I'm thinking for that. I asked the IATAS Arc System Worksheet Dev Discord group. Maybe once we will have found the solution, will not be so hard to replace. I don't think it's a difficult way to do this actually. I think it's really easy. It's just that you have to be pretty good at drawing. You know, it's just like it's pure art skill. You know, it's let me check again. Maybe I'm wrong on this, but yeah, maybe on the technical side, I don't think it's that complicated to do. It's probably I think I don't know. Yeah, actually it might be a little bit more complicated. No. Because yeah, okay, I need. Damn, that's looking really good. Huh? That's fucking great, eh? Okay, yeah, okay. So this kind of shape, it's not that easy actually. There is something else. Yeah, my first guess was maybe to just do using a gradient map so that you have a lot of control on how the transitions go between each of the bands. But doing those kind of shape, then it's just not the shader. There is something else, like you might have to do maps or stuff like this. Yeah, it's not under influence of a reflection capture, but when you're doing an indie game, you don't want to you don't want to go on the realistic side, you know, and use the at least I don't think you would want to go with the reflection capture. Even for my game, I get a phone call, I look into it, I don't put by. Damn. What is this kind of Discord group you're talking about? That's interesting. But yeah, all I can say that my character won't look as good as Grand Blue Fantasy Versus, and that's for sure. And first reason is because I'm not good enough to make something looking good like this. And second reason, let's say that I was skillful enough to do this, I don't think I would have the time to do as many characters I would want with this level of quality, so I have to choose my battle. It's a Discord group specialized into the arc system. Damn. Okay, it's open for everybody. It's like public, or it's more like a private group? Because it seems like an interesting group for me. Alright, so I want to get back to this so I'm not losing track. Okay, so I'm gonna create a variable for this, and it's gonna be called is fully reserved. Here we go. So now I can go back here. Wait. Here, and I'm gonna use the I'm gonna do a getter.
vocal cords with several different repetitions of metaphors. I settle competition without a score. My rap explore different terrains without trains, planes, or automobile. I'm honestly ill with astonishing skill. Scribbling words till these papers get filled. Press play and I will eat up your tape.
Okay, so I'm gonna put that in private.
Chasing the melody when I speak. Congratulate the rhythm with the feet that leave y'all sunk in your seat. Your pump's about to meet the greater.
Get is fully reserved, and now we can check for the fully reserved thing.
Let's ride. Time to prepare for this journey. Let's ride. Diamond in the bag.
All right, let's see how it's working. So we got our first guy. He's coming in, he's reserving the spot, and that should stop this guy. Damn. Can't you see it's damn.
It goes diamond in the back, sun rooftop, digging in the scene with a gangster. Lean.
Programming some AI behavior. Yes, today is I'm trying to work a little bit on the behavior for the guest in the in our guest house, because all right, so the big task I want to do for initially I wanted to do that. I was planning to do that for it was my big task for the whole year, but it seems like I'm going a little bit in faster than I anticipated. So actually I might be able to finish this task in a couple of months. Is I want to do the first game loop of the game. What I mean by game loop is like I want to have this loop where you are in your hub, you can get a mission from your hub, going to a world map, selecting the mission, then being able to load the map, fight monster, do the mission, blah blah blah, have a reward, and getting back to the hub, and then take another new mission. I want to have this loop. It's really important because that's gonna be the core gameplay of my game, and then I will be able to build onto that. But yeah, that's the right now that's where I'm focusing, and it's not gonna be pleasant to play. It's gonna be broken everywhere, and it's not even gonna be fun. But at least I really want to have this core thing, so that then I can build onto that, and it's gonna be easier for me to have a sense of what kind of feeling my game is. So to do this, so the great thing is this month we did. You know what? Let me show you this, because I'm kind of proud of this one. We did the first, what I'm calling the first a mission zone of the game. So you see, I'm starting to make a blocky for. I see. So yes, you can balance if you don't have a complete. Exactly. So you know it. Even if you want to start working on rhythm in your game, like what's the is it are you spending enough time in combat? Is it too short? Is it too long? Is the farming into your hub maybe feeling too long? You know, it's you can't make decision if you don't have the whole loop. At least it's what I think. So I created this map. So we got the first mission map where you're fighting the enemy. So you see that you're starting here, and then you would have a couple of enemies to fight. Then you're going out of a canyon. The pacing, exactly. That's the name I was looking for. The pacing. If you want to work on the pacing, you need to have this game loop. So yeah, we did the first map, and it went super well. Actually, I'm really impressed by the tool for prototyping a level with Unreal. That was super fun actually. So we got this. We got the. We also have the. I also did something where in the world map, you know, you can load. It's really basic, but you can load a world map and select, you know, a mission. So like mission, clear the road, and just click on it, and you're gonna be loaded in the level you saw before. So yeah, the game loop is actually coming pretty well actually. I'm really happy with that. Thank you, man. And so now the only thing I'm missing is the what do you do in the hub? And for the hub, you need to interact with the guest. That's the whole point of the game. The way I'm seeing this is that's gonna be the guest that's gonna give you the mission. So the mission that's gonna appear on the world map, that's gonna be the guest that's coming into your guest house. That's gonna say, hey, you know what? I went from this road and it was blocked by there was a lot of bandits. It's not safe to travel on this road. And you're gonna be, oh yeah, let me help you. I'm gonna go there and kick their ass. So that's gonna be this kind of interaction. And also, for now, it can change because it's still in prototype phase. But for now, the way I'm seeing this, it's that the level of reward you're gonna have from the mission is also gonna depend on the satisfaction of your client into the guest house. Meaning that if you answer to all of their needs in the guest house, for example, they wanted a big room, a spacious room, and they wanted you to cook a special dish, and you were able to do this, they're gonna be really satisfied with with their stay, and maybe they're gonna reward you better, you know, on the so that's the loop I want. But yeah, so now what we have is that we got thank you very much, Gluck. But yeah, for now we got some guests coming to your guest house, trying to do a check-in. So you're gonna be okay. I can offer you some candy. What room you gonna give them? So you see that this guy, he wants a small bed, a desk, a comfy bed, and a chair. So I can give him maybe the room C, because the room C got a spacious room with a chair and a desk. And then you can start to bargain with him. Don't mind the T-post for the hero, but yeah, you can start to bargain. So ask for this kind of money. So I went with a calm proposition, but it was calm too, so it's a stalemate. So I'm gonna be a little bit more aggressive. He's also aggressive, so it's a stalemate. I'm gonna go pleasing. Oh, it's always a stalemate. Right, deal. And now when it's a deal, it's just gonna be wandering around your guest house. And I guess the cooking is based on monster animal drops from combat. It could be, but that's something that's something I'm not even sure exactly how I'm gonna do this. The reason is the easiest way for me to design enemy would be so that I'm doing enemy that is humanoid, because they could all share the same animation. I wouldn't have to do too much animation. The thing is, if I'm starting to do humanoid enemies and then I'm doing, I don't know, wolves and bear and creature with several limbs, and that would imply that me to do custom animation for each of the enemy. Yeah, it might be a little bit more. It might take me a little bit more time to do this. So it all depends. It all depends on how much different enemy I'm gonna be able to do. The easiest way would be, yeah, exactly. So if I'm sticking with only humanoid character, that would be the easiest way, because I could do retargeting and I could save a lot of work in the animation. But it's true that I'm scared that it would be boring to only have a humanoid character too. So we'll see. We'll see how much I can do. I don't want to make any promise on this, because I know that it's in the tricky area, you know, in the gray zone of. I have no idea of how much I'm gonna be able to do. So on this, it's gonna be determined later, you know. But yeah, maybe it could just be like looting, you know, the humanoid character, or just you know, picking up material on the ground during the mission. I don't know, you know. That's, yeah, you keep the scope. Yeah, that's I need to, because I know that I'm alone on this project by choice, because I like to work this way. But still, if I want to keep my my mental health, you know, I know that the project is already way too big for just one person. So you know, I need to have some safe barrier and not go too high, not trying to reach to the start too quick. But yeah. Okay, so let's get back to this wandering system, and I don't know why the second guy still think he can go to the check-in even if the spot is already reserved. It seems like he doesn't care. So you know what? Let's create another debug text. Oh no, actually, no, actually, let's use this one. Wait, yeah, this one. So we're gonna append something here, and we're gonna write something here. So if it's it's fully reserved, it's fully occupied. So we're gonna switch. No, it's not. No, select string. Can I? Yes, select string. Perfect. So if it's fully occupied, we're gonna write O for occupied, and if it's not, we're gonna write E for empty. That's gonna be how I know the variable is working. That's the character. Check if the reserved statue change. It should be. You're right. That might be also an issue, but, or maybe not. Right now, the way it's working is that when he is in different states. So the first state is just his incoming, so it's coming to the entry of your guest house, and when it reaches the location of your guest house, you're gonna check if the check-in is empty, and if it's empty, it's gonna go to the check-in. If not, it's just gonna wait on the. At least that's what I think it's doing, but it's not. And that's why I'm trying to fix here. All right, so all right, so we can see that the check-in is reserved, but it's still considered empty. So there is an issue on how I setting up. Wait a minute. No, it's because okay. No. I wasn't looking for the good one. I shouldn't backseat coding. Sorry. No. Don't worry. Go for it, man. Because that's it's like it's making stuff less boring, you know. All right. So you see, that's interesting. So you see, we have the both the reserved and active sections get occupied at the same time, and it's when the character reach the location. But when the character reserved the spot, it didn't get flagged as occupied actually. So we got an issue there. We got something. I'm not setting up the fully reserved at the right place. Active guest, reserved guest. That's interesting because all right, let me just print no, but why it is not updated, this one? The update capacity, when do we update the capacity? Maybe that's the issue here. Okay, it's because I'm updating the capacity only when we are registered. Okay. I need to update the capacity also when we are reserving a spot. And I think that's what I've been missing. So registered guest, we update the capacity here, yes. And reserved spot, we also need to update the capacity here. I'm sorry for the ding dong. I don't know, I'm using my phone for the webcam, but today it seems like you want to say stuff. I don't know. All right, let's check. So this time, as soon as the first character is reserving the spot, we should see a O. Wait, on the active. No. What the fuck? Did I? Wait a minute. I think I did a mistake here, and it's just that I do the yeah, all right, yeah, okay. I mixed up both of the variables, so it is working, but it was not displaying correctly, and now it should be displaying correctly. So one last time, let's try again. So yeah, okay, so it's reserved. We got one guest that is reserving this, it's occupied, and then boom, it's active and it's reserved. Okay, so the guy is staying there. The second guy doesn't go to the spot. Perfect. So what if I'm doing this? Then this guy is going to another place, and okay, so let's see the behavior tree. We're gonna go with the this guy. So he's trying to check in. This is working. Set the check-in activity. But in the checking activity, it seems like okay. Set the activity. So if the local activity, okay, so if we can find any activity we don't, then we're checking for all the local activity we can find in the level, we're checking if it's reserved, if it's fully reserved, and if it's not, we're adding the activity into our mix. If the length is higher than 0, which means that we find one. This I don't need anymore. Let me try again. So the reserve spot is occupied, the active spot is empty. Boom, the active spot is occupied also. Okay. And then both of them are empty. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. And you don't want you? You good there? You want to stay here? You don't want a room? You good? You stay there for the night? Hello. Yeah. Okay. So this guy is saying that no, I'm gonna stay here. It almost works. It's like the first one is checking in, the second one doesn't want to do any check-in, but the third one wants to do the checking. So I don't know why the second character is like, nope, I'm good, I'm staying there. I have no idea why he doesn't want to check in. Because it's... Why can't I check the... It seems like it doesn't set up the check-in. Because it is empty, right? Everything is empty, so... Huh. And I can't even... Ah, yeah, here we go. Okay. No, this one is different. It's for the wait. Is it because maybe okay. It seems like he's stuck. I think it's this. Okay. No, I think I know. I think I know, and I think it's because okay. I need to he's stuck there and it's never finishing the task. Let me try again. Hey Scariogon, how you doing, man? Good to see you there. Bam. Okay. Oh. Alright. Hello guy. Welcome. Take a room. Go away, please. And next. Nice. Alright, that was it. Alright, cool. Now it's working. Now it is working. I got my hair doing weird stuff again. But now we should have... Damn, this hair. It's annoying. Now we should have our guest wandering around our guest house. So we got one close to the lake. So this guy is going, I'm guessing here because it's occupied. Boom. Okay. So this guy is going there. I can see it. All right. Well, I think it's working. Oh, I can see that there is a occupied, so there is someone that's gonna come to here. From which direction? So this one is occupied by who? By you. I think it's you that's gonna... Wait, why did you switch? Oh man. Why are you switching direction there? Okay, something is wrong. Because now... Yeah, okay, something is wrong. Now I got a couple of... Yeah, now they don't know what to do because every spot has been reserved, but... Okay, alright. It was almost working. We are close. I feel like we are close to make it work. It seems like they are switching their mind during the time they are walking to their location. They're like, you know what, I'm gonna go in another place, but it doesn't empty the spot. So that's, at some point every spot became reserved even if nobody is going there, and that's obviously an issue. No, I think it's not something with the pathfinding. I think it's something with the script. The way I'm doing this is that every 5 seconds they change their mind, but it seems like I'm doing this as soon as I make the decision to go somewhere, and I should do the 5 second countdown at the moment where they are in the location. Right now I feel like I'm doing the 5 second countdown when they do the decision, but they are not still at the place. I think that's the issue here. Let me check this. I already forgot where I put that. Man, I already forgot. Is it in the guest manager maybe? No, it's yeah, I remember. It's in the object, I think. No. Wait. No. So where do I put that? Maybe in the guest manager? It's a mess. My no, wait. Okay, it's this one. All right. So reset spawn counter. No, it's not this one. This one is to spawn a guest every 5 seconds. No, it's different. It's not this one. Where do I do the I already forgot where I'm doing the mind switching. Damn. Man, I forgot where did I put that? Maybe inactivity. Maybe I put that into the here. Edit print. Okay, yeah, it's here. So every time so no, it's done when the actor reached the location. No, I did it the right way. But it seems like I'm registering the guest 2 times. I think I'm already registering the guest here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I shouldn't do that here actually. Let's do this when a guest is registered instead. Let's try again. Hello, welcome. Have a room. Go away. Hello, welcome. Go away. Last one. Hello, welcome. Go away. All right. So now let's photo them. Alright, so far so good, I would say. So you are on a long path, so are you gonna change your mind at some point? Seems like not, eh? All right. Okay, okay, so now there is an issue here. So now he's stuck here for some reason. He doesn't want to go away. Exactement. Quoi, c'est pas comme ça que ça marche l'hospitalité? Alright, so we got something here. So the guy is staying there for some reason. So you are BP guests. So what's going on for BP guest? He's wondering. Okay, so there is something wrong here. So local activities. So it's going down and so it can't find any activity that is not fully reserved. For real? Everything is reserved? Oh yeah, this one is reserved. No, this one is, oh no, it's the cooking. This one is reserved. Okay, we have an issue there. Everything is reserved for some reason. Okay, so we are not liberating, so the spots are not emptying. Let me see. So it's going here. Okay, and after 5 seconds, it's emptying. So the spot is emptying. So why? So when there is just one guy, it seems like it's working, but like it's emptying. Okay, let's try. It seems to go to the one really far away. Maybe that's the one that's causing issue here. So let's see. You know what? I don't have to. I can eject. So this one is still. Oh no, wait. No, it's because it's been reserved by this guy. So it's empty. Okay, there is something wrong here. Oh no, it's fine. This one has been reserved. This one is reserved. This one is reserved. Okay, now it's messy. Now we got a bunch of wandering spots that got reserved for some reason. Alright, so it seems like there is an issue somewhere. So let me print. So I'm gonna make a branch. And if it's true, I'm gonna print a big fail message like this. So I just want to check if it's the issue is from here. Oh, you know what? To go even quicker, I'm not gonna even make them try to check in. I'm just gonna go. Oh no, I have to. Right. Fail. So we are already failing something here. Fail. Wait a minute. No, come on. I mixed up the yeah, it should fail when it's false. No, it was a good thing that it had the message. Alright, let's follow him. So he's going right to the spot far away, so we're gonna be able to check if because I have a feeling that everything is breaking loose when someone is trying to reach this spot. So I'm gonna be able to check that now. Alright, so he's occupying this. So it seems that everybody's good for now. Okay. Then he's gonna go here. Okay, so when there is just one guy, stuff are going well. I see that it changed his mind for some reason, and this one is staying. Alright, now it's starting to get messy. This one is like it's occupied, but there is nobody that's coming there. But I could see that this guy changed his mind, and I don't know why. Is it because... No, wait. So why are you changing your mind? So if he's changing his mind, so that means he's activating this several times. It's like is it because of this or the abort? I'm gonna put that on none. Alright, so everybody is free. Is there someone? Yeah, alright, so I'm gonna follow this guy. Okay. Come on, buddy. Where are you trying to go? I'm guessing you're going there. Wait a minute. Ah, fuck, this one is... Oh no, it's fine, it's fine. Seems like it's fine. Ah, fuck, this one is broke. Yeah, alright, so it's already fucked up. Ah. But I really have a trouble to understand when does everything is getting fucked up. I can't catch what is the what's making this So if it's wandering, it's going there, and then we're doing a sequence. So we are setting up an activity, and wait, maybe it's because he's trying to set an activity, but if he can't, wait a minute. Set an activity. Yeah, but it should be it should be fine. It should have plenty of activity. Same problem here, troubleshooting stuff that used to work great. Alright, so we are in the same boat, eh? We are in the same boat. So how do I determine? Maybe it's an issue where the okay, let me try to Alright, so maybe it's there. So this this task here where we're doing the guest activity. So when we receive the execute EI, we are initializing everything. No, we got the character. Okay. And then, hey, thank you for the oh, thank you for the red, Devru just. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I'm guessing that's reading your nickname. I'm guessing you're also a developer, a game dev maybe. Are you working on a prototype game too? Welcome everybody. Hope you all enjoy this stream. So here's the thing. So for everybody that just come here. Oh boy. So what am I doing here? Yes, indeed. So tell us about your project. All right, let's go. So I'm trying to do a mix between an action game, Bayonetta style, Devil May Cry style, mixed with management mechanics, so that you will be managing a guest house in the middle of a desert. So that's both type of gameplay I'm trying to mix together. So here today we've been working on the guest house, which is gonna be the hub of the game. So the idea behind this is that we got a couple of guests that's coming to your guest house, and then you have to first of all, you have to make the check-in, give them a room so you can have a little bit of bargaining with them and try to fit their needs. And up, this guy is happy, he's got the checking done, and now it's gonna start to wandering around the guest house, and that's gonna be the next one. Then I would have a little bit of cooking for them. I could do a little bit of cooking to raise their satisfaction. So all of this, that's the management, the light management mechanics. But then we also would have the combat stuff. And so for the combat, we could go right away to, let's go for example to the let's go to the world map. Save. So that's the world map. That would be our home in the middle of the map that is surrounded by 3 different biomes, which is controlled by 3 different, let's say, countries. So we got the confederation at the west, which is the plain biome. We would have a kingdom in a desert at the north, and we would have a state in the mountainous region at the south. And the idea would be that the guests coming to your guest house, they are the one that issuing you the mission. So you could select a mission, and then you would be able to go into an instance level and do some crazy stuff there, and fighting your way. For example, this mission would be to clear a road full of bandits. So as you can see, there is a lot of bandits in this road, and that would be the what I'm calling the Bayonetta, Devil May Cry style kind of game. But you see that there is a little twist, and it's the kind of big dude that's following me around. That would be what's making the game. Oh boy, shit. Phew, I didn't break the game. But that would be what's make the difference from my game to other action game, I would say. And that would be that you are actually controlling 2 characters at the same time. So you have the main character and the guy that is following you, the big dude that is following you. You can dodge quickly. You can make some quick step really quickly, but your spirit that is following you is a little bit more slow. And so that unlocks some combo capacity. So you can say that stay in the back, shoot at the character while I'm doing some combo damage, and then rush toward me to like this, and bada bada boom. So you see, you can do a lot of nice combo with this mechanic. And that's it. That's it for now. So that's right now my objective is to do a prototype, prototyping the whole game loop of the game. So this kind of thing where you are this game loop where you are tending to a guest in your hub, which they're gonna give you mission. Then you're gonna go to the world map, and then you're gonna be able to pick a mission on the world map that's gonna load instance level like this one. Do your mission, complete the quest, and then go back to the hub, take another mission. So that would be the core game loop of the game, and that's my objective for the next couple of months, to have this game loop. And yeah, and today I wanted to focus on the hub. I wanted to focus on the AI of the guest. So that's what we are doing today. So let me get back to the hub. So yeah, so that's pretty much the idea behind the game. I hope that people would find that interesting, and would find that there is the little twist is interesting for, and it's worth playing the game. thank you very much for following RT Beer Close. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoy the progress being made on this stream. But yeah, today we are working on the AI, but we got a big issue. You see that I've been putting a couple of when you see the yellow text, is that me that's putting some what I'm calling wandering spot. Wow, thank you for the following, Warm Juice Dev. Thank you very much. Another one. Gives me a little bit of the Atelier Series Sophie vibes, just with the in, not a job. That's interesting because wow, thank you, Devro. Thank you, Lumi Shorts too for the following. That's great to see so much following and in so little time. But yeah, I heard about the Atelier. Damn, thank you, Zobrex. Thank you very much. I never played any Atelier, but yeah, it seems like it's pretty close to. It has the same, I would say, same vibes, you know, same pacing. So that's I need to play this game. It's on my to-do list to play this series. As you see, if we come over, exactly, man. Yeah, I can see that, eh? You're not joking, eh? Seems like an interesting game. I look forward to following its development. Thank you very much, RT Beer Close. But Devro, if I want to start playing the Atelier series, which one should I start with? Do you have an idea? Maybe you are a little bit more aware of the series. It's like, I know that there is a lot of games in the Atelier series. I don't even, if I wanted to start in the series, I don't even know with which one I should start with. Like, should I go with the last one, or maybe the last one is not so good? I don't even know. Huh, that's interesting. Why those guys coming in pair to the check-in? Hey. One at a time, please, guy. Why are you guys together there? What's happening there? That's interesting. Never played them, actually, just aware of this existence. Okay, so you are in the same situation as me then. Thank you very much, Lumi Shorts. But to be completely honest, my main reference for this game is morely I don't know if you know this game called Sakura Rise of what's the name? Sakura Runes, Rise Runes. I forgot. Sakura of Rise and Rune. I don't know if you heard about this game. But in this game, you're more a city builder guy. That's interesting. So you are also developing a game, I'm guessing. I'm guessing you are developing a city builder, if you are. Alright, so now it seems like there's just one guy that came to the check-in. That's great. A city builder trading simulation. Nice. Cool. What the setting is? It the like contemporary setting or fantasy setting maybe? Who knows? But I really would like to. That's interesting because I really would like also for my game to maybe have a market economy kind of things. Where you would have to exchange with the guests. Alternate history colonization. Okay, so that's interesting. So that's your it's a game based on history, but you're making a twist with that. I like that. Sounds great. So how long have you been developing this your game? Damn. Oh, I see you. You switched your mind. You were to go to another spot, but you decided to get back here. Why are you doing this? Because everything is occupied now. Interesting. Yeah, that was my first guess also, the Anno game. Anno games are really great. Hey, Nigeki Denda, how you doing, man? Good to see you there. Alright, so you are moving, so you find an empty spot? I'm curious. This one? This one is not empty, man. Look, you can't go there. There is already someone. Where are you going? Can't you see? Wow, it's really fucked up. Now it's telling me that, like the active guests are empty in this spot, but I already can see 2 people there. What the fuck? So there are sort of story arcs there, but not a strict timeline as such. You can literally just play a single game because even the arcs just follow the general kind of vibe. A large narrative sorter. If you are link friendly, I can throw a link with the arcs and the game list in the chat. Oh, okay, yeah, sure. I don't even know if it's possible. Try that. Try to you can try to put that the link on the chat, and I'm not even sure if oh, okay, it's working. Great. Oh man, all right. Is it working? Sorry for the bots. Okay, but okay, let me try something. Let me check this. So did the link goes on the all right, so see, I can see the link. I should be able to post it. Bada boom. All right, cool. I look into that then. Thank you very much, Lumi. But yeah, I should give a follow too. Hop, follow too. Because I really like the I also really like city builders games and grand strategy games too. That's also those kind of game I'm playing. I like to play too. Thanks for the follow. We are actually 2 persons, so there is also a farming game developed on my channel. Nice. Okay. So that's becoming even more interesting because I also thinking about doing a farming mini game also in this in the hub. So like it seems like actually our 2 games have a lot of overlaps. Even if technically I'm not doing, I'm gonna go light on the management mechanics in my game because I'm alone and I already know that it's already too ambitious for just one guy. I already know that, but hey, it's stronger than me. I can do. If it's not ambitious, I'm losing interest, I guessing. But yeah, I would love to have this cooking things where you are maybe also you could be also farming the ingredients on the side of your guest house, you know. Keep the scope manageable. Yeah. I know I said that. You should have clipped that, but now it's too late. Now it's too late. Yeah, keep the scope manageable. I'm gonna do a farming, I'm gonna do a cooking, I'm gonna do a management, I'm gonna do action game, but I'm gonna keep it that manageable, yeah. If you wanna have a look at really light farming component, you wanna have a look at Animal Crossing on or My Time at Portia. Yeah, it's true. It's the Animal Crossing, and obviously I know I see the game. I never played it, but My Time at Portia, I only see I think a couple of videos, but never tried to invest too much into this. But it seems like you're right. It might be a good reference for me to check also. But I thought that My Time at Portia was more like a crafting kind of game, like you wandering into that was a feeling I had, that you wandering into an open world and digging some resources and building stuff. But there is also farming mechanics into it. It's a workshop type of game with ton of combat. Okay. Alright, so another game to put into my to-do list, I guess. Oh man, where do I gonna find the time to do all of this? It's tricky, and the game developer life. It's like you're spending more time doing games than playing games. Alright, so I really want to know why this is not going well. So I have a feeling that it's on the if I were able to find exactly when all the things are going wrong, that would be easy for me to debug the stuff. But it seems so random right now. That's I'm guessing the issue is that it's getting fucked up when two guests trying to go to the same spot at the same time. Let me check if I'm right about this. Yep. So warm juice. Oh yeah, I can see that you're also a game dev, eh? Farming mechanics are there, but mega simplistic. It's basically you craft a container for the soil, fertilize the soil, plant, come back in 3 days or so day, harvest. Okay, easy. Fertilizer runs out eventually, so you may need to top it out. If you don't want to concentrate on the farming, something similar could be a good thing. Exactly, I'm looking for light mechanics for the farming. You know, it's not the core of the game, so I want. The way I'm seeing the hub is more like I want to give the player a lot of optional activity in a way that if you don't want to spend too much time on this, you don't have to. But it's more like the hub is where you are relaxing. It should be for the player. It should be something where you imagine Imagine you're taking a tea and you're looking the sunset, and maybe you're walking a little bit on your farm. Maybe you're just doing a fun activity in the cooking, but it should be chill. It should be light, because after that you have the combat mission where it's all about action and really fast-paced action, where it's really adrenaline pumped, you know. And I really want to find a way to combine those two moments where after a mission you're coming back to the hub and you have this relaxing time where there is just maybe fishing. So you see that I put a lake in the back because I was maybe thinking about doing some fishing or stuff like this. So for me, it's more like it's just a chilling time, just enjoying the moment, and then when you're ready, going back to the mission. I really want to find this way. So I don't necessarily want to have too complex mechanics that a little bit too stressful, you know, in the hub. So that's why I want to keep it on the light side for all the activity we can do there. But still, I want to give enough option for the player so that it's not just a boring time, you know. I need to find the right balance there. Also debatable from a player perspective, you want to keep a player engaged, so stuff to do between mission can be used as prep for mission, food preps that you could use in the yes, that's also the point here. So for example, right now the idea I have was that the mission is linked to the guest that's coming to your guest house. So they are the one that giving you the mission. So for example, you could have a guest that come to your guest house, taking a room and stuff like this. And during the chilling time, you could have a discussion with this guy. Then it revealed to you that you know what, I came from this road and it was really not safe. There was a lot of bandits and there was a lot of people that attack my caravan, something like that. I would be, oh yeah, but I can go down, I can go kick their ass, you know, and trying to make the road more safe. And so that would be how you get mission. It's like interact with the guest. So the more guests you can attract to your house, to your guest house, to your inn, the more different mission you could get. And it would maybe also be linked to the satisfaction, and the reward would be linked to the satisfaction of the guest. So for example, he's asking you to secure a road. Okay, so you're gonna secure the road, and if at the same time you have been nice with this guy when he has been staying at your place, like you have been cooking nice dishes and you have been doing some entertainment for him, like I don't know, let's say that's you're organizing a karaoke night, you know, and he's loving this, and so let's go with weird thing like this. And so he's been really enjoying the stay, but then the reward it would give you for the mission you did would depend on this level of satisfaction. So it needs to be prototype, obviously, and it's probably going to change a lot during the process. But right now, what I want to try in a prototype is this. It's like let's make my customer feeling good, so that the reward it's gonna give me for the mission is issuing me is gonna be a little bit higher. I don't know if it's I don't know if it's gonna be good on the long term, but we'll see. That's why I'm doing a prototype right now. The prototype is there for validating or not the idea I got in my mind. But yeah, if only I would be able to find a way to fix this, that would be great. Keep going, it'll be interesting to test it out. Thanks you, man. It's gonna take me a long time before it's playable, but as long as I'm having fun doing this, I'm okay with that. Alright, so maybe I should be... Maybe I'm gonna modify the way we are selecting the activity. So that... So I'm gonna trick them so that they're always gonna try to choose the same activity every time. So where do I do my random stuff? I'm doing this here. Success. Yeah, we got time. I also got time. I'm fine. Okay. So how should I do that? All right. So okay. So first of all, maybe I'm gonna remove. I'm just gonna leave 3 different wandering spots. So that's we're gonna trigger the moment where there is a conflict. When they're choosing a wandering spot, there is a conflict. So right now we got 3 of them, and we got 3 guests. So let's see how quick stuff is going wrong. All right, welcome. Take your room, go away. Next. So already, oh, fucked. Again with this physics. Alright, so you're going there. It's occupied. Holy shit. Okay, then you're switching for another. Okay. But that's interesting because he has been. Oh shit. No, it's still working. Okay, so every 5 seconds is switching his spot, but I could say that at one moment it shows the same spot he was in. So I need to check this also. So when there is just one guy that is wandering, things are going okay. Everything is working correctly. So I'm pretty sure that things is going wrong when there is a conflict between 2 characters shooting the same spot at the same time. Is it possible? Here we go. You see that's the You see? He's switching his mind. He don't even go to the Why are you doing this? Alright, I'm gonna look. Need to cook some food. Alright. No problem, man. Thank you for the raid. That was really cool, man. Don't know what you plan, but I imagine the spirit is the guardian for the inn. Satisfied customer could give him more power. I like narrative reason for gameplay feedback loop. Yeah, could be. It could be, but it's also the thing about that. That's another thing I need to think about is the what do I want for the combat? It's a bit like Calcifer from Howl's Moving Castle, being fed the left to keep the castle holding to it. Ah, nice. I didn't thought about that, but that's nice. Indeed, that's a nice twist. Yeah, that's actually a nice twist. But the thing is, you need to be careful with that because it's gonna change also the what do you want for the combat? Do I want to do a combat based on the player skill, or do I want a combat based on the character skill? What I mean by that is that the way I'm seeing stuff is that, for example, game like Bayonetta or Devil May Cry, your character doesn't get more powerful, not too much powerful during the game. It's like I think you are almost doing the same damage from the beginning to the end. It's just that you're getting more combos and stuff like this. But the thing is, the way you are progressing into the game is that it's the player that's learning how to be better actually. Whereas if you are doing a game that is more what I would say character based, it's more like you the stats is making your character better. So that's you could have some stat making like a strength stat that's making you more hitting more harder and stuff like this, and then it's a different kind of gameplay, because do you want to farm to get better, or do you want to train? What do you want for the player to do? To be honest, right now I don't have the definitive answer, but I would love to try to find a way where it's more player skill than character skill. But yeah, it could change. You know, it could change. Okay, so we saw that it's starting to get fucked up when one character is switching his mind right in between his way to a spot. So I'm guessing the issue is that it's here. We have an issue where it's finishing the task even if the task has not been done. So let me check this. So we got this the finish execute. Do I have another one? No, it's the only one. So we got this activity completed event that is firing even if the activity has not been completed. So we got the activity completed into our inactivity. So let me try to find activity object. So it should be there. Activity completed, right? So this so when do we call this? We're calling this into this, right? So this is the check-in, so I don't care about the check-in. I know what you mean. You want pure skill. That's the thing. I don't even know if I want that, but I will want to try first with this pure skill base, see how the games feel. But I have a feeling that it might not be the best approach for the game. But I'm still not sure for that, because the thing is, we have this guest, you know, we have this guest house, and the way I'm constructing the mission right now, it seems like there is actually a little bit of grind. So since I now want to have the mission issued by the guest, there is a little bit of repetitiveness, you know, the way that if I'm looking at the whole game loop of the game, the way that the guests are issuing the mission, so you want to attract more guests who have more mission, that's gonna, so now I need to think, okay, so cool, but what's gonna be the reward, you know? And maybe the reward should be that your character is getting more powerful. So maybe actually the pure skill based might not be the best solution for the game here. So that's what. So that's a perfect example of why it's important to have the core gameplay loop as soon as possible, because that's gonna help me to answer those kind of question more early. All right, so we got activity completed. No, not this one. Okay, activity completed. Register guest. It might be the way I it might be the way I'm wait a minute. I might be hit. Ba-ba-bum. Wait a minute, so no, it shouldn't have an impact actually. Let me try with a, let's see, with a retriggerable, it's hard to say, instead of just a delay, maybe. Fuck, this phone is annoying. I don't know why he's doing this. Alright, let's go with 2 guests wandering, and we're gonna check the if everything is messing up. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so nobody is moving now. That's interesting. So that's mean, okay. So that would mean that I'm actually constantly, wait, where it is? I am constantly registering the guest. Why? Huh. The core main character combat could still be skill-based, and some special skill for the spirit are based on customer satisfaction. Doesn't have to be permanently locked, but could be time buffed, maybe. Yeah, it could be, or it could be, you know, no, maybe time buff, yeah. But this gonna need a lot of balancing. It's the kind of thing that's it's hard for me to imagine what would be the best. But all of this gonna have to be tested, you know. But yeah, that could be a solution. That's one thing I also thought about, like at some point, like maybe time buffed things. But yeah, we'll see about that. I don't have I don't want to think too much into it before I can, you know, prototype this and experience this. But yeah, okay. So I think I'm getting closer and closer on the bug. It seems like we are registering the guests constantly. It should be just one time, and for some reason we are keeping registering our guest. Okay, so what we're gonna do is when the all right, I'm starting to see. All right. So that's mean the guest reach location is also firing constantly then, if I'm understanding right. So that means I see, right. Okay, starting to getting making more sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, when the guest has reached location, we're gonna register the guest one time, and so when that's annoying. Can you hear the USB sound? I'm guessing that you can hear that into the stream, right? So here the thing. So if we can find item, if we can find this one, so that's mean if it's different from, it's not equal to -1, because -1 means that we didn't find anybody. Then we are registering the guest. But if not, if we can't find the if the guest that's reached the location are already been registered, we don't need to register continually. So now let me try this again. Yes, okay, sorry about that, guy. I don't know why it's I hope it's not too bad, but if it is, I'm gonna try to find a way to maybe I'm gonna I would have to oh fuck, now it's stuck. Fuck. Let me see. Okay, deal, and then it's staying there. It's staying there because the wandering is failing. We are staying into the check-in state activity for some reason. It's failing because it's constantly, yeah, okay, it's constantly looking for an empty. So why are you failing since I did this now? Wait a minute. Oh, man. It's because it should be equal to... If it's... No, okay. If it's equal to -1, that means that... It means that we didn't find... Alright. Alright. Should be better this way. Let's try again. Hello, welcome. Here's your room. Go away. And he is going away. Alright, cool. So now what I want to check is that if what do I do with the retrievable delay? Retrievable. So let me see. So the guy. Sorry again. Right, so he's switching spots, and the spot is been okay. So when there is just one guy, it seems like it is working. Let's see with two guys. Alright, so seems like it is working. This guy is going there. After 5 seconds, it's switching. And there is a problem here. Ah, fuck. So, fuck. Nope, it's still not fixed. Man, that's annoying. Yeah, what if I'm promote to viable and I'm doing this instead? So let's check with 2 people then again. Again with this here. Okay, so now nobody is moving. Right. Yes. But you decided to stay here. Like, you really enjoyed this spot. So you don't want to move anymore. Finally. No, why did you switch? Ah, fuck. Fuck, I didn't thought it would take me so much time to fix that. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna stop here for today, I think. I feel like it's my brain is burning. Might needs to work on this maybe on maybe I'm gonna be more efficient outside a stream, I'm guessing. Yeah, I might have a clean head to try to fix this. It's more complicated than I thought it would be. So I'm gonna end there. Anyway, I've been doing I've been streaming for 2 hours, so that's my my goal, and it seems like I reached it. So that might be a good time to stop there. So maybe instead of just quitting, I'm just gonna make a raid. It seems like we have a lot of people today, so why not raiding someone? Let's see who is. Who can I raid? Let's see about that. So yeah, I don't want to raid someone with already a lot of people. Let's see if we can find someone with a small. Ah, ça a l'air cool ça. Un deck builder.
Alors, le nombre de copies dans la bibliothèque, faudrait le faire de fou. Le seul problème, c'est que...
Ok, hein, ça a l'air cool, but it seems like it's cool, but it's in French, unfortunately. Do I send... you know what? Glockenberg, t'es français, pas vrai? Enfin, tu parles français, il me semble, hein? Il me semble qu'on a parlé en français. Ou alors je suis en train de tout mixer. Est-ce que je confonds avec les gens? Ah non, ok. Maybe I'm Chili Workstream. Je suis français. Ah ben voilà. Eh ben alors je vais t'envoyer sur un stream français. Je pense que c'est le bon moment pour switcher sur du français. Qu'est-ce que t'en penses? On part sur du deck builder? Moi, il me semble que ça serait... Pourquoi pas? Je trouve ça intéressant ce qu'il a l'air de faire, donc pourquoi pas? Allons-y avec ça. Voilà, comme ça on finit sur une petite touche de français. Un peu de français ne fait jamais de mal. Alright, so... Game Dev, anime, tu vas trouver... Ouais, ça, il y a du choix. Alors, Stream Manager. Stream Manager, Red Channel. pick a live channel to... ok, alors comment il s'appelle? Hugo. Hugo. Et voilà. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so thank you everybody for following the stream and for being there. Thank you for the red, that was really great. I don't know if there's still people that coming from the red there. Me, I'm gonna stop the stream, I'm gonna read someone, but thanking everybody and I wish everybody a good day, good night, depending on when or where you're watching this video, and I hope you'll be there for the next stream. Thank you guys. Alright, so the red is almost ready. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go. Thank you. Bye.
Oui. Oh, hello Guedin 13. Guedin du 13, bonjour tout le monde. Hello. Le red qui tombe.